here's how we're gonna check if your iPhone is eSIM compatible. Let me show you how it works. Subscribe for more and let's get started. So you open up your iPhone settings, and the best way to figure it out is if you go to the cellular section right away. And you're gonna see that when there is the setup cellular option available, that it just means that you will have the ability to add a SIM card, not a physical one in this case. You can see we have the ability to use the QR code or transfer it from an iPhone, but it's literally telling me that the eSIM is available. And yeah, the point is that there are iPhones which don't support eSIM, and then there are iPhones which support both eSIM as well as physical SIM, and the newest models don't have the physical SIM card slot, only eSIM. So I would say that there are like these three categories of iPhones. In this case, this is an iPhone 15, but in Europe, meaning that it has both the eSIM support as well as physical SIM card slot. So that's kind of, a very specific thing. Obviously, if you want to know every single thing about your phone, I think it would be best to open up settings, general and about, and either click on the model number and copy that, look up information about this particular model online, or specifically you can as well copy the serial number and look it up on Apple's website and see specific data and information about your phone. But if you can see the setup eSIM in your settings, then I believe you are going to be fine. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads as well.